no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the...
Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial today. So if this is your first time, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, as well as the bell. That way you are always notified whenever I do upload. So this wig wasn't to be from soundsbeauty.com, so thank you to them for sending me out this unit to review. I did already do another tutorial, and that's why I have this wig cap on, so don't mind the ball cap. So we are going to be doing this unit right here. It is going to be the Janet collection, the Natural Me Blowout collection. It is going to be this HD wig. I did get the color DR1B/BURG, and the style name is going to be Tamila. So this is going to be the stock card up close. So it is heat safe up to 360 degrees. It does have a deep lace part, and then it does have lace around the hairline, and it is a textured unit. So this is what the unit looks like. So like I said, it is going to be a textured unit, and then on the bottom it does have these pretty little curls, and then on top it does have the dark roots. So starting out, the lace kinda looks like it is going to be like a medium brown lace. There is the parting space. The parting space, it doesn't look too bad. It looks like it's just a little bad towards the front, but we are going to see about that. And I don't think I see any baby hairs. I don't think, might be some baby hairs, but I don't see none. Okay, so there are, I guess, some baby hairs that are done pulled out. So on the inside you do have two combs, which is going to be by the parting space, and then you have a comb in the back, and then you do have the adjustable straps. So this is what it is looking like so far. Already in love with the freaking color. It looks so freaking pretty. The hair texture feels so freaking soft. I did get one strand. So running my hands through this, I am getting a lot of shedding. But this hair, it is very pretty. Really pretty. And then the texture on this unit feels so freaking good. I freaking love the texture on this unit. It's very soft as well. Running your hands through it, it kind of is tangling up just a little bit, but not too much. And like I said, you are gonna get shedding with this unit. So this is what the hairline is going to look like. So I think it has baby hairs. They're like very small. So this unit, it is like super pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and then I'm gonna put it back on. I think so. Like, oh, this color is so freaking pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these baby hairs down. I pulled a little bit of the hair out, because they do have baby hairs for you, and the baby hairs actually look good, but I think I put a little bit extra hair out, so I'm just cutting those down. And then I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Glued in my black bottle and put that on that hairline. Go in with my Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade Cafe. I'm gonna take that and put that along that parting space. And then right on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me, and this is in the color 362 Truffle. I'm gonna put that on that part as well as along the hairline, since I didn't put any powder on bottom. And then I'm just taking some mousse and I'm going to put that right there along where I put that concealer at, so I can get rid of that powdery residue. So now I'm gonna go in with my Care wax stick. I'm just gonna put that right here, probably a little bit. Or I think I like it right there. So I'm gonna put it, I guess, right here, just on the just by the part. I just want the part a little bit more like smoothed down. And then I do have my hot comb on 5. So let's see if it ain't gonna burn it. So let's go ahead and get into Miss Tamila. So this is gonna be once again DR1B/BURG. So you are gonna get dark root right here along the hairline, like right here, and then on your parting space. You're not gonna get it throughout, which is perfectly fine because we just need it for our roots, girl. Because this right here looks so freaking good. Like, I love the texture of this unit. It looks very, very full and natural. For me, I did have to go in and layer up this unit because it was a little bit flat for me, because I love the big hair, whatever, but it was kind of laying flat. So I did basically just do like right here, and then I put some layers right here on the side so that it'll kind of look full, because it was just laying flat and I did not like that. I kind of like this untamed kind of look because I like the big hair, and then the curls, it kind of gives like that boomerang kind of hairstyle, which I freaking love. So yeah, this hair was easy to install. The lace is going to be HD, so I didn't have any problem putting powders on there. The knots are a little bit big, but once you put the powder on there, it doesn't look too bad. And then they do give you baby hairs, so the baby hairs are very short, so all you gotta do is put you some gel on it and be done with it. And then apart, once again, put concealer and powder, and then you are done with this unit. So this one is a very easy unit for a beginner, and it's like so freaking pretty and poofy and like just so elegant to me. And I feel like this right here would be some pretty Valentine's Day hair because of the color. Like, it is so gorgeous to me. And like I said, the only con I did have was that the hair was kind of like flat, and then I wanted a little bit more layers, I guess, because so it wouldn't look so flat. This unit, it does shed a lot, and then I did go through and layer it, so of course it is going to be shedding for me. As far as tangling, it is a little bit tough to run your hands through it, but it's not like tangling like I thought it would. But it is a textured unit, so these units tend to tangle after a while, especially right here towards the nape area. So you do kind of want to look out for that, because that is going to happen. But other than that, I love the texture on this unit. Like it says, natural me. It looks so freaking natural, and I bet in a 1B it would be so freaking bomb. There's not a shine to this unit whatsoever, so I really love that about this unit. Like I said, this is a gorgeous beginner friendly unit. So that is gonna be it for this tutorial. Thank you again to Sounds Beauty for sending me out this unit, because I really do love this unit. So yeah, I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.